central and south central Minnesota and northwest and west central Wisconsin. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Saturday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult. Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility.
This is the first one my office told since last year.
If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, 5 inches has fallen. You are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Road conditions can also be found at 511mn.org in Minnesota.
That's on KJY80. That didn't go off.
The blizzard warning has been extended until 7 a.m. Saturday.
What did Des Moines do?
Include the following counties in Minnesota: Anoka, Carver, Chisago, Dakota, Hennigan.
Oh, well, I think they toned those. I'm under the blizzard warning.
Blizzard warning expanded eastward to include the Twin Cities metro and western Wisconsin. Snowfall rates from 1 to 2 inches per hour are expected for several hours with wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour. Widespread precipitation will develop late this afternoon and transition to heavy snow from northwest to southeast this evening. The snow can be very heavy at times with hourly rates of 1 to 2.5 inches per hour. Strong north winds will develop with the heavy snow to produce whiteout conditions over a wide swath from west central and southwest Minnesota to west central Wisconsin. The worst conditions are expected between 9 p.m. and 4 a.m., with snow and strong winds tapering off toward early Saturday morning. Total snowfall amounts will range from 5 to 10 inches from west central and southwest Minnesota to west central Wisconsin, with 2 to 5 inches north of Glenwood and St. Cloud and along I-90. Locally, higher amounts are possible if snowfall rates exceed 2 inches per hour. A blizzard warning is in effect for a large area from west central and southwest Minnesota to west central Wisconsin. A winter storm warning remains in effect north and south of the blizzard warning. A strong thunderstorm will impact